Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Solana video update for Wednesday 16th of March. If you guys are interested in taking my trading course, you can check out the trading course here. The link is in the description, or if you want to join the Discord, you can join the Discord. We do have a Solana channel as well here for you, where different members are talking about this. Alright, so let's dive into the chart. And we can already see so far yesterday I did draw the line for Solana here, and we're still trapped inside the triangle. Okay, that's what I'm gonna say on the daily, and you're looking tomorrow to actually potentially go to the $76 and get a squeeze over here and finally pop out. So the apex is near 27th of March, and a lot of the coins from 19th of March until 29th of March, maybe the end of the month, they're having a lot of like this decision coming soon. If they're actually gonna pop to the upside, and you actually start to lose this bullish structure, backtest and fail, you're gonna go to the downside. Okay, but one thing that I'm expecting out of Solana though, I'm gonna tell you in a second here. Now zooming in there, I do see potentially fake out like this one, another fake out like that one, come here at the end of the apex, make a fake out to the $70, and then pump to the upside. Something like this can be very, very possible, because this is crypto and this is how crypto works. Do you see that? Make a fake out, go to the upside. Make a fake out, go to the upside. But it's not important. You can still like come down here, not make a fake out, break out, back test, and then boom. Now this is the fake out of the downside, but what I want to say is when you come down here, you can have the fake out of the upside as well. Go up and then fake out and then come to the downside. So it's really important. You have to be cautious. If you go up like this, you can sell it here, wait it to come back for the retest, re-enter again, put a stop loss somewhere here, and then you ride it to the upside. Do you see that? So what it does basically is, all you do is you pop up, come down here, and you make a double bottom just like that, and then boom, you pick up to the upside, and you go all the way to the $119 or $150, which could be the pump that is near the way. Okay, so this is gonna be a very short update, quick update for you for today, and I'm gonna see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.